Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and today I'm installing an RV upgrade that I'm super excited about, the RV A.C silencer. The silencer dramatically reduces the noise your RV air conditioner puts out, and it also increases airflow. The RV A.C silencer fits Dometic, Coleman, and GE air conditioners with a ducted system. Today we are installing it in our Furrion air conditioner in our Forest River travel trailer. Let's start the installation. In addition to what comes in this box, all you'll need is a screwdriver. In the box is the white cover, the black base plate, an electrostatic lifetime air filter, as well as screws and foil tape. To start the installation, turn off your air conditioner and remove the cover and air filter. Before you actually install the AC silencer, it's important to inspect your AC unit and repair any issues. The first thing to check in your Furrion AC is the center divider. The foam in the unit is covering a divider that separates the two compartments. This divider should be in place so that air does not move between the two compartments. The divider in our unit was in pretty good shape except for a small gap on each side. We used the foil tape from the kit to seal those gaps. If your divider has large gaps or has slid down, you may need to remove the center box, peel off the foam, and then tape the divider in place so it fits snugly. Next, using a flashlight, we checked the air ducts to make sure they were unobstructed and not crunched down. Fortunately, ours looked great. Now we can move on to installing the AC silencer. We start by removing the screws on this center box and taping it in place with the foil tape. Now that those screw holes are free, we can install the base plate from the kit. There is an arrow on the base plate showing which direction should face the rear of the RV. There are 2 screws in the rear and 4 in the front. At this point, we fully tighten the 2 back screws, but leave the front 4 halfway out. Now we install the electrostatic filter. This lifetime filter is rigid and designed to stay in place. It has 4 holes that align with the screws, so we put it over the screws, slide it into place, and then finish screwing them down. Now we can install the cover. There is also an arrow on the cover showing which way faces the rear of the RV. It's positioned so there's soundproofing over both compartments. It's a snug fit, so it'll hold on its own, and then there are 4 screws on the sides to secure it for travel. After we screw the cover down, the installation is complete. So let's see how it works. Here's what our AC sounded like before, on the quieter setting with the cold dump closed. And here's what it sounds like now with the AC silencer. We've had this installed for a few weeks now, and it's so much quieter. We love it. We can actually watch TV or take phone calls while the AC is running. We highly recommend this product. We have all the product links you need dropped below, and don't forget to follow us for more RV tips and hacks.